Hello everyone, it's Nitesh from Cubelelo, and today we will be looking at the new flagship from GAN, the GAN 12. Just like Apple releases their new iPhone every year during the month of September, we see GAN also releasing their flagship cubes in the month of October and November. The most amusing feature of GAN 11M Pro was its corner core magnetic positioning system, in which the traditional 48 magnets were replaced by 64 magnets placed omnidirectionally from the core to each corner base. So what new feature will we be seeing with the new GAN 12? As you already know, it's the maglev technology. So what else has changed from GAN 11 to GAN 12? We'll be checking it out in next few minutes. I have two versions with me. This is Leap version and this is maglev version. Thanks a lot to GAN for sending the sample, and without any further delay, let's get going with the review part. As of now, GAN has announced a total of 3 versions. First is the GAN 12 Leap version, which is without maglev technology. Second is the GAN 12 maglev UV version. And third is the GAN 12 maglev mag version. I'll check the maglev version first. The box looks really great. Let's just open it. Inside the box you get an awesome reflecting card and a cube station card, a necessary box, and finally the cube in the box. The accessories box contains a pamphlet on how to solve as usual. A cube bag with a new dark blue shade. This is looking really premium. This is a GAN 12 user manual. And finally a small box. Let's open the box. I think this is a tension adjustment tool. And I think these are small extra magnet rods. Finally, let's see the cube now. The box here is cut diagonally this time and it's very easy to open. The cube feels very light as usual and very fast. You can hear the snappy sound as well. The cube weighs just 65.5 grams and is 56 mm in size as usual. Corner cutting is as usual good, above 45 degrees. Now let's remove all the pieces and I'll show you the internal structure. Magnet size of this corner magnet rod is big this time. This actually reduces the radius with the core, thus making it more stable. Let's open the center cap now. Here you can see the ring magnet inside this centerpiece. I'll open this as well. This is big, and the other ring magnet is trapped here inside this blue ring. You can see that both these ring magnets are repelling each other, thus creating a similar effect of that of spring. Let's check out the adjustment feature now. It does have the adjustable magnetic feature where you can have 3 different settings. Left is weak, 0 is medium, and right is the strongest setting. It automatically comes with the medium magnet strength. You can also change these corner rods. The hex one, which comes along with the accessory box, is the stronger one, while the triangle one here is the weaker one. So overall you can have 6 different magnet strength. Pretty impressive so far. We pointed out last year that it's difficult to change the magnet slots here with the nails in GAN 11M Pro,
So GAN has solved it by giving an option of using this tool to change the slot here. With GAN 12 maglev, you get a magnetic GS system. You can change the distance of the centerpiece with the core through this tool. You have to snap it like this in order to use it for this cube. You can hear a loud noise here, which is the shortest distance. Overall, you can have 6 settings here. You can adjust the tension using the other side of the tool. By doing this, you are compressing the centerpiece to the core. Overall, there are 6 settings. The sound here will be very tiny. You have to do this very slowly. This makes it in total 252 combinations, considering if you remove the center edge magnet.
Pretty good for someone who likes to choose between different settings. You can surely go for it if your pocket allows it. For surely, we'll be seeing a stripped down version of this coming soon, as we have seen with the GAN 11, where you don't have to worry too much about the settings, and most importantly, it will be affordable. Let's check the LEAP version now.
This is GAN 12M LEAP. This version has a matte finish and it doesn't have the maglev technology. It instead has the old spring mechanism. The best part is that you don't have to change the blue tensioning tool like in GAN 11M Pro. It's been incorporated into a single unit, which is really good. Overall, this version is closer to the GAN 11, which is also the cheapest version of GAN 12. Performance wise, I think this is the best cube in the market, thus making it the costliest cube till now.
All 3 versions are available on pre-order in our website. It is expected to get dispatched by the first week of November. So that's it for the review, guys. I hope you liked the information in this video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe us to support us. Thanks for watching this video. Happy cubing!